Good evening, friends. Today's date is 10 August 2021, and our today's topic is constructor in Java. My name is Yogesh Rao. We have to start our constructor topic. What is the use? We have to know about the use of this use of constructor, types of constructor, and then after that we can see the examples of constructors. Constructors in a Java is a block of code similar to methods that is used to initialize the state of an object in a class through as a new operator. In other words, we can say also constructor is a special type of methods that can be used to initialize an instance variable in a class. A sole purpose of the constructor is to initialize the data fields of objects in the class. Java constructors can perform any actions but specially designed to perform initialization actions such as the initializing the instance variable. A constructor within a class allows constructing the objects of the class at runtime. It is invoked when an instance of the class is created using the new operator. Constructor can be accepted arguments like the methods and can be overloaded. If we try to create an object of the class without specifying any constructor, JVM will create a constructor for us. Means it will be means that will be an a default constructor. Then we have to know about the characters, means work of constructor. There are two ways. There are characters of the constructor's name must be same as the class name, and which class name is in which the it is declared and the defined. The constructor should not have any return type void, and also because if there is a return type, the JVM will not consider as a method. It will consider as a method, not a constructor. Then suppose we can define the method and constructors with the same name as that of the class name. The JVM will differentiate between them by using the return type. Whenever we create an object instance of a class, and the constructor will be automatically called by the JVM. If we don't define any constructors define a class inside the class, Java compiler automatically create the default constructor like in a compile time. Assign default values for all variables declared in the class. Then we have to know about the define default values of variable are as follows. Numerical value are set to be 0, and the strings are null, and the booleans are set false. Then fourth one is Java constructors may or may not contain parameters. Means parameters also can be possible and non-parameter also possible. Parameters are local variables to receive value data from outside into the constructors. A constructor is automatically called by the executed by JVM at the time of object creation. JVM will first allocate the memory for the variables, then execute the constructor to initialize the instance variable. Then we can see the how can constructor declare in the Java. Java can be declared as a for example, we can take the class as a public and as a rectangle. This is also known as class name as rectangle, and we can create the constructor as a public rectangle. The rectangle is a class name and must same name as the constructors. It is mandatory. It is not if there is not same class name and the constructor name same, means it is not as a constructor, it is like as a method. Public is an access modifier that indicates the other classes can access the constructors. Constructors can be declared optionally as a public, protected, and private. These are called access modifier in the Java. Means if we declare the public, it will can access in other package also, in the in packages also, and the class also. We and protected is also same in the same package and the same class. But when we declare the private class, private access modifier before the constructor, at this scenario, all we can means that constructors can be accessible within the only class, not outside the class. The constructors cannot be applied by the means non-access modifier cannot be access can with the Java cannot be applied with the constructor by mistake. If you apply for any other modifiers with the constructors except those for access modifier, you will get compile time error. Means we can get a compile time error. Then we have to know about the use of constructors. The constructors is used in the Java programming to assign the default value of instance variable. The constructor is used to initialize objects of a class. A constructor is used to initialize the object of the class and the allocate the proper constructors to initialize objects of the class and allocates appropriate memory to the objects. That is, it is used to initialize the instance variables of a class with a different set of values. It is not necessary to initialize. If you need to execute some code at the time of the object creation, you can write them inside the constructors. Generally, it is used for to the initialization of instance variable. Then how can we call to the constructors in the Java? Let's we can see by the in examples. We can see the syntaxes. If our class name is a and then we can create the object of class a is equal to new a bracket complete. This is a is a class name, and the second one is we can creating or calling to that constructor by using a new a bracket complete and semicolon. At this scenario also we can call to that a class of constructor. Then third one we can call by using super keyword also, and the fourth one is this keyword also, and the fifth one is we can class name for name. Means class name and the for name as dot new instance. This we can create. Then we can take some default constructor is called school. Sc is equal to new school, and semicolon and semi bracket and the semicolon. The school name is the name of the class, and sc is the object reference variable. We store the address of the object in the stack memory, and the school is the constructor of the class, and new is the special keyword to allocate the memory to store the objects those type of in a specified by a constructors. Then we have to know about the which types of constructors in the Java. The first one is default constructors, and the second one is parameterized constructors. Default constructor is a no argument constructor, and the parameterized constructor is a argument constructor. Default constructor, we can see a constructor has no arguments or no parameters is known as default constructors in Java. When a class does not declare any constructors, Java compiler automatically creates a constructors for that class, and this constructor is also known as default constructors. For example, we can create a one class class a bracket complete, and we can take some another methods of another name, and in this we cannot declare any constructor, but the compiler will create their own constructor by name of school and without parameters, means no arguments. This is also known as uh, default constructors. As same as parameterized constructor, we can see in the parameter constructor the class name and parameter constructor name, class name and constructor name is same, but in this scenario we can only pass the parameters, the data type and the variable name, and this will be accessible by using these keywords, and we can call from the main class to the by using constructors of object reference, and we can accessible to the this method. This is also known as constructors in Java. Let's our today's topic is complete. Thank you.